In this video, I will show you how to average numbers if the cell is equal to a specific value in Excel like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some order data containing the product names, colors and amounts. Now I want to average the total order amount if the product is a mobile phone. I also want to average the order amounts if the product color is blue regardless of the product name. In other words, I want to average numbers if the cell is equal to a specific value. To average the cells equal to a specific value, we can use the Excel AVERAGEIF function. The AVERAGEIF function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet the given criteria. This function accepts three arguments: a cell range, a criteria, and an optional average range. Let's first average the amount if the product color is blue. Type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type AVERAGEIF followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to compare the color, let's select the range of the cells containing the product color as the first argument. Since we want to average order amounts of the blue products, let's type blue in the double quotes as the criteria argument. If the color is blue, we want to average the amount, so let's select the range of the cells containing the order amount as the average range argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average order amount if the product color is equal to blue. Let's average the numbers if the product name is equal to mobile. I will use the same AVERAGEIF formula, except that I will select the range of the cells containing the product name as the first argument and mobile as the criteria argument, like this. As you can see, we now have the average of the numbers if the product name is equal to mobile. We can also use the AVERAGEIFs function instead of the AVERAGEIF function to average numbers if the cell is equal to a value. The AVERAGEIFs function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. Please note that the order of the arguments of the AVERAGEIFs function is different from the AVERAGEIF function. To get the average order amount if the product color is blue, using the AVERAGEIFs function, I will select the amount range as the first average range argument, product color range as the second criteria range argument, and blue as the third criteria argument. Similarly, to get the average of the order amount if the product is mobile, I will select the order amount range as the first argument, product name range as the second argument, and mobile as the criteria argument. As you can see, we now have the average of the numbers if the color is blue or product name is equal to mobile. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.